This brand new website is not crazy, but this is a stupidly lazy way to make over $400 per hour and then thousands of dollars per day with a brand new affiliate marketing strategy for beginners, which I will walk you through step by step. Welcome to the Official Money Pill. Let us begin with a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. This is an effortless way to make money with affiliate marketing. You'll need to go to the platform called Google Sites. So search for Google Sites and navigate to sites.google.com before creating a new Google site. So once you create a brand new blank Google site, don't worry, you won't have to do any HTML or coding, and you won't have to pay for hosting or anything else. So it's completely free. So with affiliate marketing, you can quickly go from zero to making thousands of dollars. So first and foremost, we'll start with a title. You can customize your website by adding titles, tags, different layouts, different images, and much more. First, you create a blank Google site. Step 2. Go back to Google and search for 5 ways to attract money, 5 ways to save money, or anything else that has to do with money. I'm going to open up an article and see if it's any good. I'm going to read this one. They have 5 different methods for attracting money into our lives. So this is an excellent article I'll use in the future. Step 3. So for this third step, you want to use the points from the article on your own Google website. So first and foremost, I'm going to use the title, 5 Fastest Ways to Attract Money Naturally into Your Life. So I'm going to double click on it, copy the title, come back here, and then paste it inside the box. And now you can add more effects. So I'll add an effects box below. So somewhere around here, I'd like to begin listing the 5 ways people can attract money into their lives. So I'm going to return to this article I found on Google and then take their first quote, manifesting good habits. So I'm going to replicate this. Then of course you can change the text, which is highly recommended. You can either use Quillbot to rewrite the facts, but to avoid making this video far too long, I'll copy and paste it. However, it would help if you made some changes to the article before pasting it onto your Google site. But I'll copy and paste it again in case you want to do the same. And do they have 5 ways to attract money into the lives, make money, or save money? So let me keep doing this until I have 5 items on my list. So now I have a whole article on my Google site that discusses 5 different ways people can naturally attract money into their lives. Step 4. Okay, let's move on to the next step. And finally, before we return to this Google site, you will need to visit a CPA platform known as CPA Lead. CPA Marketplace with thousands of different CPA offers for you to promote. And CPA stands for Cost Per Action, which means that most of these offers require people to enter your email address to become qualified leads, and you'll be paid for it. So whenever someone submits an email, you'll be paid for it. They don't have to buy anything, they don't have to spend any money, they have to enter their email address, and you'll be paid for it. And it's a lot easier to make someone enter their email address and then automate them buying something or spending money. That is why it works so well. That's why I wanted to visit CPALeads.com. You would need to create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. You can sign up with Google or your email by entering your first and last name and email address. Create a password, confirm the password, answer the security question, and then click Submit Information, and you will have an account as a CPALead.com affiliate marketer. Now that you've created an account, you must log in and name your new account. You can keep track of your earnings here. And you can track how much money you make each day. Obviously, it'll say $0 right now because you just created an account. However, if you use the strategy I'm about to share in this video, you could earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in affiliate earnings. So first and foremost, to begin promoting something, you should go back and log into CPA Lead as an affiliate. And then once you log in, you'll be able to see all of these different offers that will pay you anywhere from $1 to a couple of dollars per email that you collect. What I like about these offers is that in most cases, people have a chance to win something if they sign up. They are constantly changing their offers. If you can't find an offer like that in CPA Lead, you'll need to move on to the next platform, CPAGrip.com. And CPA Grip is a platform that is very similar to CPALead.com. So this is another CPA network where you can sign up and get some offers. And people have an incentive to sign up for those offers because they have a chance to win something. Let me show you how it works. So you will also create an account and then log in. And then, once you log in, you'll be able to see all these people making money. However, to begin earning money, you must first visit my offers. And if after learning from my offers, you want to change the country, which in this case is the United States, You don't have to be in the United States to make money with CPA Grip. You can be anywhere in the world, and you can still earn money with these offers. However, the people you refer must be from us. As you can see, in this case, people have a chance to win a $750 PayPal gift card by submitting their email address, and you'll get $3 for each email you collect. In this case, you'll get $2.57, and they have a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. As you can see, they have a reason to enter your email address because they stand to win something. That's why it works so well. So now copy your affiliate links. So I'm going to copy this affiliate link, and that may not seem like much, but the strategies I'm about to show you will get you thousands and thousands of people signing up for your link passively because it is stupidly lazy and simple. So stick with me. Step 5. The next step requires you to return to your Google Sites. And now that you've read the article about how people can attract money into their lives, anyone reading it needs or wants to attract money. And if you include an offer in which they can win something by entering their email address, that is highly targeted to that specific person. They will be far more likely to enter their email address, and it will also cost them nothing. And so you want to create a call to action or integrate a call to action within the article. So for example, after point 3, I'm going to create a call to action that says something like, get a $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. So I'm going to make a copy of that. So I'm going to directly copying this, then going back to past that, and then you want to make that stand out. So I'm going to make it bold, and obviously I'm going to make it bigger so they can see it. And then I'm going to create the call to action that says click here to claim. So that will cause them to see the call to action and then click on the text, which will direct them to an offer where they can submit their email address and you will be paid. So what you want to do is press this chain icon right over here to insert a link and insert a link. Then go back to CPA Grip and open up that offer and grab your affiliate links. Copy the affiliate link, go back, and then paste that link inside of this box and press apply. So what it will do is make the text clickable. You can also change the colors, fonts, and sizes. I'm going to copy and then integrate it again over here. And then I'll do it at the bottom so that when they finish reading the article, they can see that they can claim a $1,000 PayPal gift card by entering their email address. Not everyone will win the giveaway, but that doesn't matter. They have a chance to win something, and that is what matters. You don't care if they all win. If none of them win, one person will win a $1,000 PayPal gift card, but whether they win or not, if they just made their email address, you'll still make $2.57. In this case, you're being paid per lead, even if they don't become qualified leads. Step 6. Now, once you have a complete article that discusses 5 different aspects of money and includes a call to action with that affiliate link, you should publish it to make the most of it. Give it some address. Then I'll hit the publish button, and we'll have a full link. So now that you have a fully functional website, you can see that it did not cost you a single penny. You should now copy the link to that article and paste it into your website. And then you want to go to the final step, which is go to a platform that you have never heard of before, a platform that is visited by 8.5 million people every month, most of whom are from the United States. Also remember that we require people to enter their email addresses, so you can profit. You do not have to be from US, you can be from anywhere worldwide. However, people who submit their email addresses must be from US. As a result, this platform works so well. It's also completely free. So it's MeWe.com. It is an entirely new social media platform. It's very similar to Facebook, but there's very little competition on MeWe. So sign up for the social network, create a free account, and log in. After you log in, search for different groups over here, and you should search for groups where people discuss how they can attract things like riches, love, and prosperity into their lives. However, you are primarily interested in people who wish to attract money into their lives, so you can join the group after clicking Done. Then you can begin posting to the group, and you can make all the different posts and ensure you're not spamming. Don't say, hey, read this article if you want to make money, but try something out. For instance, hey, I've been trying to make money online for the past few months and nothing has worked, but I came across this article about attracting money. Can anyone tell me if this is legit or not? I just found it and I think it's valuable. Can you tell me if it's legit or not? I'll leave a comment below and incentivize them to engage with the post. Then you paste the link to your article. Many more people will click on the link because you're not being pushy, but you're just saying, hey, I found this article. If you want to read it, if not, I don't care. They may also click on your affiliate link while reading the article, allowing you to earn money. So you can earn more than $1,000 in affiliate earnings in less than an hour. So go there, try it out, spend as much time as you can do it, and let me know how it worked out for you. Thanks for watching, and take care.